What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit Hobby Shop. And what if I told you that the coin that you have is potentially worth thousands of dollars? Yep, that's right. Let me explain. Let's get into the video. All right, guys. So as you can see, I have a 1915 wheat cent right here. And you may be wondering, what will cause this coin to be worth so much? Well, guys, here's the answer. It's simply the condition of the coins, guys. When you have a coin like this and it doesn't have a specific error attached to it, then the condition is the next best thing to get you hundreds to thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars per coin. It's the condition. So now I'm going to show you some recent sales for this specific coin from the San Francisco Mint and the Denver Mint. Check it out. All right, guys, so as you can see, that is a lot of money for 1 cent. So I want you guys to definitely make sure you check your coins, recheck your coins, and even take them to a coin expert if you have to. Take it to your local coin shop and see what they have to say about it. But okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.